Actually, tatlo silang nakatapos. Dalawa lang tatawagin ko kasi dalawa lang ang taga-live ko eh. I'd like to call on Sister Carmelita Manzano. Ganito po ang sinabi ng certificate at para makita nyo ang certificate. Bethel Bible College of the Assemblies of God, Malinta, Valenzuela City, Philippines Extension Program. To all whom these presents may come, be it known that the Board of Trustees, by the authority of the Philippine General Council of the Assemblies of God, with the recommendation of the faculty, confers upon Carmelita G. Manzano, who has fulfilled all the requirements for the degree of Certificate in Christian Ministries, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto pertaining, in testimony thereof, the seal of the college, and the signature of the duly authorized officers are thereto affixed at Malinta, Valenzuela City, Philippines, given this 28th day of March in the year of our Lord 2026, signed by Reverend Reynaldo Caluzay, Chairman of the Board, Reverend Nelson Verona, President, Pastor Norberto Seriales, Academic Dean. Now, bawat student po ng BBC sa Hong Kong ay nakakatanggap ng ganito pag natapos nila yung Certificate of Christian Ministry. And sometimes, depende po kung hindi ka, ang mga students ay tuloy-tuloy na ma-attend, 2.5 years lang ay tapos na sila. Okay? Sinisikap po namin na maging 2 years lang siya. Maaaring dagdagan namin ng oras or bawasan na ang iba pang mga bagay para lang makatapos ng maaga. And sa katunayan, meron na rin pong nakatapos ng sunod, hindi ko pa lang sila na-apply for certificate and transcript of records. Now, ang ating pong programa, actually, pag nakatapos ka ng Certificate of Christian Ministry, you can be certified to be a pastor in the Philippines. So, pwede ka na makakuha ng credential. Maaari kang mag-associate, maaari kang maging pastor. Pag natapos mo yung bachelor's degree, at hindi wala po tayong bachelor's degree dito, pwede mo itong tapusin sa Pilipinas, pwede kang magturo sa high school ng anumang eskwelahan sa Pilipinas dahil tayo po ay registered sa Commission for Higher Education. Kaya, sabi mo sa katabi mo, sabi sa katabi mo, last enrollment na ngayon. Okay? Para makapagsimula. Okay, hiniling namin ang Kodakar. Balido. Lahat po ng binasa ko patungkol kay Sister Carme ay yun din ang nandito sa certificate set. Nila na nasa church ni Pastor Nes ay si Sister Leonie Caroy. Isa pang announcement, kanina po nag-meeting kami ng church council